The construction industry is expected to undergo significant changes in the coming years, with the incorporation of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI. AI has the potential to transform the way construction workers carry out their daily tasks, enhancing productivity, safety, and efficiency. In this video, let's explore 10 ways in which AI can help construction workers. Number 1. AI-powered sensors can be used to monitor construction equipment, identifying any malfunctions or performance issues, and alerting workers before a breakdown occurs. Number 2. AI algorithms can analyze equipment data to predict when maintenance is required, helping construction workers schedule maintenance and avoid costly downtime. Number 3. AI can be used to monitor construction sites, identify potential safety hazards, and alert workers to take action, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. Number 4. AI algorithms can analyze data from construction sites to optimize workflow, identifying bottlenecks, and suggesting ways to improve efficiency. Number 5. AI can help construction workers manage project schedules, by predicting delays and suggesting alternative plans to ensure projects are completed on time. Number 6. AI can be used to monitor the quality of construction work, identifying defects, and suggesting corrective actions, improving the overall quality of the project. Number 7. AI algorithms can be used to analyze project data and generate optimized construction plans, helping workers reduce waste, optimize resources, and minimize costs. Number 8. AI-powered analytics can be used to optimize the use of construction equipment, reducing fuel consumption and improving performance. Number 9. AI can be used to monitor construction sites' impact on the environment, identifying potential risks and suggesting ways to minimize negative effects. Number 10. AI-powered collaboration tools can help construction workers work together more effectively, improving communication, and reducing errors and delays. AI has the potential to transform the construction industry, improving safety, efficiency, and productivity. By incorporating AI into their daily operations, construction workers can take advantage of these benefits and be better equipped to meet the challenges of the future.